This is Michael Bryce. I'm an executive protection agent. I've extracted my client. Cleanup is required. You might want to call the bomb squad. Make it the fire department.
Is that my car?
I'm afraid so. Have a seat. It's been a long day.
The trial continues.
One of the world's most brutal dictators.
With a key witness to testify.
I can assure you, we're more than prepared for any assault.
Prepared for that assault?
When Kincaid is dead, you'll be paid in full.
There's a safe house not far from here.
I have a job for you.
The transport is in there.
What the
27 times. That's how many times he tried to kill me. 27. 28!
I'll be safer on my own.
You will last 1 hour without me.
Tell us where your husband is.
You lost my husband?
Do you have any idea how stupid you sound?
The only way Bryce and Kincaid don't make it so they kill each other first.
If you wouldn't mind, the gun.
Yo! You Bob done? Okay, on 3. 1.
My bad. You're bad.
Go with God. This man's killed over 150 people.
250, easy.